Hi, my name is Dr. Christi Pramudji with ChristiMD Medical Group, and today I'm going to talk to you about the EmFemme 360. The EmFemme 360 is the latest radiofrequency device designed for vaginal tightening and plumping. The treatment is so efficient, only 8 minutes versus 30 minutes, which is what the previous devices could offer. It is going to heat up the deeper tissues of the vagina where the fibroblasts reside and turn them back into fibrocytes so that they can then build up collagen and blood flow and help the vagina feel plumper and tighter again. The EmFemme 360 can also be used to decrease the size of the labia. If someone feels like they just aren't as tight as they once were, they don't have the same lubrication, the same sensation, it's gonna bring all that back to the vagina and bring it back to where it once was. The heat is gonna build up that tissue deep within and stimulate the body to rejuvenate that tissue by itself. When a patient comes in, we're not just treating everybody with the same device. We can really tailor it to that patient. We can make a combination therapy if needed, but we have all the tools at our disposal so that we can design it uniquely for that patient. So if you're interested in the EmFemme 360 or seeing what's best for your sexual health and wellness and comfort, then please call us and come in for a consultation. We'd love to talk to you and see what's going to be right for you.